Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove card from Amazon. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, first of all, access your Amazon shopping app on your mobile phone. Now right afterwards, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line in the bottom right, tap on this option of account on top. And now right over here, simply go ahead, scroll a bit and go to this payment section. Now go ahead, tap on this option of your payments, and there you will be able to find all of the cards that you have added for the payments purpose. Right now all you have to do is tap on this option of settings right over here, and now go ahead, tap on this option of edit payment method or for a current order. So after you have accessed your particular card, you will be able to access the three options: edit or delete my credit card. Right, simply have to go ahead, tap on this delete your credit card option. Now afterwards, all you have to do is again provide the confirmation accordingly, and then you will be able to simply remove that particular card of yours, and you can tap on this add a payment method and manually add another one. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.